In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Meet recording. If you've just wrapped up an important meeting and want to make sure your conversations are securely stored for future reference, you're in the right place. Let's walk through these simple steps together to ensure that your valuable recordings are easily accessible whenever you need them. To begin with, you'll want to open Google Drive. This is where all your Google Meet recordings automatically end up after your meeting concludes. If you're not already there, simply head to drive.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you use for your Google Meet session. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do so. It ensures that you have access to the proper recordings. Once inside Google Drive, you'll need to locate the recording you're looking for. Rather than manually scrolling through numerous files, use the search function for efficiency. In the search bar at the top, type in Meet Recordings. This phrase specifically targets the folder where the recordings are stored, making your search a breeze. You should now see a list of files, all related to your previous Google Meets. A quick tip here is to look carefully at each file name. They are usually labeled with the date and time the meeting took place. This little trick will help you pinpoint the exact recording you need without any unnecessary guesswork. It's especially useful if you have multiple recordings from different meetings or if the meetings were close in time. After identifying the desired recording, you'll notice 3 vertical dots next to the file name. This is an action menu, a handy little feature allowing you to perform various tasks on that file. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to open the action menu. Within this menu, you will see several options. Your goal here is to download the recording to your device for safekeeping or offline viewing. Select the download option. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this might take a few moments, so hold tight while the magic happens. Once the download is complete, you'll find the recording saved in your designated downloads folder on your computer. It's always a good practice to double check that the file is there and everything is functional. This simple verification step ensures you have all the information intact and ready for use whenever you need it. There you have it, a straightforward guide to downloading and saving your Google Meet recordings. Now you can rest easy, knowing that you have your important discussions securely archived. Thanks for tuning in.